Welcome back to the channel. In today's video you can see we get a little dump cart trailer for the golf cart right there, and before we can use it we actually need new wheels. That's a bummer. So these are 15, 6 something and 6 offset I believe wheels I need. So that means I reached out to Antego and they were so kind to provide those nice wheels which we need, and when you look at them, here we are. Oh, they look just great. So I think we'll have something really good to work with here. Those are the 1566, not for highway service, correct, and the brand again Antego, right here, Antego. They shipped it. They have a black matte rim and they have a really nice tire combi here, so that means on our dirt in Southern California we'll be able to actually tow this little cart again. So let's put them on, and not to bore you too much, but they also provided some extra installation hardware for the offset and stuff like that, so I'll be able to use this as well, because these are center, as much as I understand. There's no offset, and the original, or at least the tires which it came with, they had an offset, so I'll be able to set this off a little bit as well. And what I mean by offset, you can see this one is pretty much in center on both sides. So this is, oh sorry, this is the one side, this is the second side. There is nothing off center compared to these rims, and here this is towards one direction. You see this one is way more sticking out, so more flush. So this is the offset what we're having here and what we need to adjust here as well. That's what we need. We'll see how good it works, or if I need to custom put some inlets in here, but that's how it should be. Nice. Fairly simple setup, and take it for the win. Those wheels are nice utility wheels. They have wheels for lawnmowers, they have wheels for golf cart and video up there. But this one, and I have also another one where we already got some nice Antego wheels, so shout out to this company. I really enjoy that. So these ones will also do great service from now on. So in case you need any link, you can find them on Amazon, but you can also find them right on their website, and I'll put a contact down there so you can reach out to them if you want to. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.